We are Sorted, a group of mates from London exploring the newest and best in the world of food whilst trying to have a few laughs along the way. We've got chefs, we've got normals, and a whole world of stuff for you to explore, but everything we do starts with you.
Hello, I'm Jamie and this is Ben.
And this is PIO, oh dear. Pass it on.
No one's ever shortened that.
Well, I thought I'd give it a go.
Where are you taking me, boys?
My goodness, I'm actually doing stuff.
What's going on here?
I forgot what the actual thing is.
I'm stuck. Okay, before we get started, I'd like to say positive vibes, people. I feel there's been lots of negativity in the past.
Yeah.
I feel like we need positivity.
A fresh start.
Fresh start.
What's our theme today, Janet?
Today's theme is vegetarian.
I've heard of vegetables before. Good.
Cool.
Yep.
And the order?
The order will be up to each individual once their turn is up. Mike will go first. He's so sexy.
Clever.
Oh, up to each of us.
No one picked Jamie.
Can we pick someone twice?
One at a time, the boys have 10 minutes to cook and add to a final dish. The remaining team will have no idea what's happening behind them until it is their turn.
Okay. I'm just thinking create a really fragrant, amazingly spiced broth thing and have loads of amazing vegetables just inside the broth. In theory. If I can't find any coconut milk, I'll come back to you with a new idea. Please, please, please. Yes! Amazing. Coconut oil. All I've probably got time to do is create a really nice spice paste out of ginger, garlic, onion, and some Chinese 5-spice. In here, coconut oil. Don't have any lemongrass or anything super traditional or gal and gal. And obviously when we come to make this, we won't be able to use like fish sauce or anything like that. 3 minutes. My goodness, I'm actually doing stuff. I think I'm gonna pick Ebbers next. Or am I gonna pick James? I can't pick one of the other two. But it would be funny if I picked one of the other two, wouldn't it? I'm gonna pick Barry. Okay, I've got some aubergine, which I'm basically just dicing up. With any luck, Barry will open that, see coconut milk, smell that, say that smells Thai, and then put 2 and 2 together, and then probably ignore everything that I'm trying to do here in the foundations that I've laid for him and make a cloud egg. I know, Barry communicates through nice bowls, so if I leave a nice bowl, I'm out. I feel like that's the strongest I've ever done. I also feel like I could well have easily just led the entire team down an alley of failure. And for that, I'm gonna give myself a 7. A 7, I wasn't allowed to do that, was I? Bye. For the sake of the video.
What is that? That is quite chefy. That, Michael Hartlestone, that is delicious. This looks terribly organised. Coconut milk. I'm stuck. Do I need to start cooking somewhere? Or is he doing some sort of broth and you want that to cook in? No, let's roast it off. Let's get some sweetness out of that. No, let's fry it off. This is hard. What does he want to do with this? I'm going to fry off the aubergines and tell you what, I saw this done recently. It looked pretty good. Janice, can you get me a blowtorch, please?
Oh, for
Aim here is to blacken it. This brings out the sweetness, it caramelizes, but also a little bit of bitterness from the charring. Look at that. I'm not sure where Mike wanted this to go, but I don't think it's wrong. The question is, who do I pick next to continue this? Do I get a chef? The chef will correct some of my mistakes, might improve it. Hard to improve this. When do we pick Jamie? He's going to come in and he's probably going to ignore everything I've done and start something completely new. But if you leave him at the end, he's going to ignore everything everyone else has done and make up the play last minute. I'm going to bring him in now. I'm going to get Jamie out of the way. It's like a band-aid. Rip it off quick. Let's get some distractions out. Right, I think with the flames we've got so far, that'll go well. Let's put some of this out in front. So my plan here is the longer Jamie spends considering what to make, the less time he has to screw it up. Then Ben and James come to the kitchen and save the dish. What can go wrong? Otherwise, I can step away 7. 7. 7. I didn't do anything wrong, but we'll see if it makes it onto the final plate. So 7.
Oh no! It's me! Right, what have we got? Some courgette. Look at that skill already.
Aubergine.
It's aubergine, isn't it? That's not courgette, it's aubergine. I'm colourblind. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, everyone's laughing at me for eating this. Cheese, ladyfingers.
Tofu.
What? Is that not cheese? Tofu. We'll just put that over there. I think we're making a curry. How am I going to help this? Mushrooms, I think we can add mushrooms into there. I think okra should be cooked by frying it in coconut oil. And we'll take off the tops. Should we take the bottoms off? Let's leave the bottoms on. Let's leave a little bit. I'm going to throw green beans in as well. You do take the tops and the bottoms off of those, that's fine. I am uncomfortably confident with what I think is happening here. And I'm just going to go down this path confidently. And if I'm wrong, then so be it. Coconut milk in. Now what some people say is, don't use all of the liquid from the coconut milk so you can adjust how thick or thin you want your curry to be. I don't listen to those people. Let's get some more mushrooms, let's live a little. Let's crack on, we're all having a good time. Everything's going well, let's lose that because nobody wants that. Who am I gonna pick next? There's 2 chefs left to go, so in essence it doesn't really matter who I pick next. Ebbers is great when it comes to curries, but James's surname is Curry. So you can see the conundrum that I've got. Let's slice some mushrooms. Who's gonna create a better final looking dish? I'm probably gonna pick Ben next and let James finish. I'm hoping they'll add something to go on the side, maybe some rice or something like that. Let's get our aubergine into... Oh, I'm having second thoughts whether I want to do that. If I do that, we are committed. No. 30 seconds, right. Okay. Fry, my pretties, fry. Rank myself out of 10. 5. I came in with confidence. I delivered. I don't know if what I did was right or not, but I'm out. Go.
Me? Yes. Okie dokie. It's even though we're sat over there with headphones, you can still smell the amazing smells going on. And this is exciting already. Looks like we're going for some sort of curry, saucy, coconutty milk, lots of lovely vegetables, okra, aubergine, mushrooms, they're gonna need a bit longer. I feel like it needs something to soak all that up. Noodles or rice. Can't. It's lacking. To be fair, this is where chefs have the advantage because we know all the ingredients we've got stashed away. Some lemongrass and kaffir lime in the freezer. I think that's what this is really missing. Don't feel like there's any heat going on either. Some chilli would be nice. My theory is if I get this in now, halfway through James's time, he'll be able to drain it off. But I do want to infuse that water with some lime leaves and some lemongrass. Before I threw those in, I chopped a little bit, which I'm going to also do to kaffir lime and chilli. Because I think one thing that is brilliant when you're doing vegetarian food is to find other textures and other sources of protein, and nuts and seeds and pulses are great, but maybe a few nuts roasted off in these flavours will be a nice little final addition. So I'm just going to make an oil with those flavours in it. Now go in with cashew nuts, just cook those off until they toast, and they can just go on the dish at the end for texture, kind of the fattiness of them, but also the protein. The sauce is coming together, we want to reduce that down, and then mushrooms, okra and aubergine can all go in, and it will need seasoning. It needs a lot of saltiness from some soy. We'll keep the fish sauce out because it's vegetarian, and a good hit of lime because at the moment it's just too coconutty. I think I'm also going to throw, it's very anti-me, but Thai food should be spicy. And at the moment that sauce hasn't got enough of a kick. Yes! Our rice is going to need draining next. So if I wipe down and get a sieve ready for James, he has a chance. Nuts are great. I can take those off the heat now, just the residual in that pan, in case he doesn't spot them immediately. The sauce is looking great. I'm going to throw the beans in now because they're the only thing that's still raw. And I'm going to get a sieve in the last 20 seconds. So far, so good. I want to stir those in. I'm leaving now. On a 7. Now he sees it. Guess who's up? Yeah!
Okay. I haven't been last for ages. A curry that smells Southeast Asian. And we've got a bowl that's been chosen for me. How presumptuous. But it's quite nice. It's quite a nice bowl. Okay. It's really sour and not very balanced. Could I grab some fish sauce and some sugar? Like palm... I forgot we were doing vegetarian, oh my god. That's a little better. I'm not sure how to plate it. What's this for? What are those? What's going on there? Am I supposed to put tofu in it? Okay, I'll put tofu in it. The mushrooms and the aubergine. I'm going to keep the okra out and just put it on top because okra can get a bit slimy. What I'd like to do is fry the tofu off. I don't know if I've got time. Start plating that up. I'm piling the rice up on one side so you can still see it. I'm trying to work out what to do with the pepper. I kind of just want to like dress the plate with it, but I think that would be a silly idea. I'm going to split this. Try and put it around the edge. Does that work? Might work. Still deciding about that. Hi, I'm back. I'm just getting some coriander. Just trying to get as much colour on the tofu as I can. And then I'm just going to pour a little bit of soy sauce into it. Would it be cruel to leave the pepper off? I'm worried that that's something that is all someone's done. 1 minute, still deciding about the pepper. Just looks a bit weird, I don't know. But I feel like we've done a good job and I want to include everyone in the final dish. So it's staying on there. Done. Oh, I was going to put some chili on it, but I think we're happy. I think we're good. Out of 10, I think I cooked the rice nicely and got it off on the right time. I added some tofu. 8.
I think you're all going to like this. I'm going to go for it then.
You gonna go for it?
I'm going to do it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Actually,
Oh, I tell you what. That does not look bad.
I'm not sure what's draped across the top, but
I have a story.
that is a hefty portion and I love it.
Everybody looked like they'd done a great job. Like everything was there ready for me. And then there was this random pepper. And I thought everybody's done such a good job that I don't want to leave anyone off the plate because that could be something that is someone spent 10 minutes.
So what you're saying is it's a sympathy pepper.
I put it on there.
I thought the tofu was cheese to start with. And then Izzy went, what is it? I went, oh yeah, it's tofu. So I thought I'd done a good job of hiding that, but obviously not. But what I did think was, I don't know why somebody's blowtorched the red pepper. I will leave that there.
The red pepper was there before you started.
Wow,
That was already torched.
almost like a red herring of a red pepper.
Yeah. Mike, where did you start then?
I picked the red pepper up. It was really there just probably mistakenly to inspire Barry for when he came into the kitchen.
Okay.
So hang on a second.
I don't understand what your problem is.
If you didn't blowtorch the red pepper and you didn't blowtorch it, I didn't blowtorch it, and it wasn't blowtorched at the beginning.
Okay, but is anybody here apart from you saying that blowtorching was a bad idea?
We were a bit confused by it.
On the chefy side, we were just confused.
Mate,
I mean, the worst thing... Yeah, that's right. Get it all on there. Oh,
That's good.
oh,
Oh,
wow, that is... Oh,
that is delicious.
isn't it?
The Italian twist of the pepper is really good.
The pepper was there by Mike.
That rice is really well cooked and very well flavoured.
I'm really confused. Why wasn't that chopped up and put into it? What's wrong with it? I don't understand.
We're all just scoffing it and not really talking, which says a lot.
It's really nice.
It's delicious.
so it tastes proper creamy.
I love the textures. You have got the mushroom and the aubergine, which have got to the point where they're almost getting slimy, but the okra isn't, which normally would be go that way if it's overcooked.
Yep.
The beans have got a crunch, the nuts are good, and the tofu has got that kind of chewy bounce, but with awesome smokiness.
Well, I'm going to put it right out there. I think that's the best pass we've ever had on Pass It On.
I think we more than passed that. I think we nailed it.
Yeah, Baz?
Agreed, pass. Strong pass.
Definitely.
Decent.
I gave myself 7.
7.
I went for 5. I said I was middle of the road.
Oh, I think you did very well on your okra. I also went 7.
I went 8.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I underplayed this.
I think it's great.
I'm sure you'll make up for it in the next episode, though. As usual, put us in order from worst to best. How do you think we got on?
Do you like having your own theme tune now?
No.
Big thumbs up and thank you for all your suggestions for themes for Pass It On and an order in which we play.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and you've clicked the bell to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. That's every Wednesday, every Sunday at 4 p.m. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Sunday's the next one.
As we mentioned, we don't just make top quality YouTube videos. No. We've built the Sorted Club, where we use the best things we've learnt to create stuff that's hopefully interesting and useful to other food lovers. Check it out if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.
Janice the Fannis.
Ow!
You okay?
Ow! I'm injured.